Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have Apple Cash funded and verified. Now act. Open Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and pause on the Default Card section. This is where you tell your iPhone to prefer Apple Cash. Once done, you'll be switching the payment flow for contactless and in-app purchases. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is ready, because the change may require authentication. Proceed when prompted so the phone records Apple Cash as the preferred payment method. You'll select Apple Cash from the default card list, tap it firmly, then authenticate when the prompt appears. This action forces Wallet and Apple Pay to route eligible payments to Apple Cash first. It affects contactless terminal payments and many in-app purchases. If Apple Cash isn't visible, open Wallet, tap the Apple Cash card, and confirm it's enabled. Once done, return to Settings to verify the default card now lists Apple Cash. That verification confirms the system will use it automatically. You complete the process by performing a quick purchase. Tap to pay at a terminal or buy an item in an app and confirm the default payment reads Apple Cash. If the phone still charges another card, don't panic. Sign out of iCloud, restart the iPhone, and sign back in. That often refreshes wallet settings. Make sure your region supports Apple Cash and you've completed identity verification. If problems persist, update iOS and recheck wallet settings before contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.